Well, my name is Lori Winery, and I manage organizational effectiveness and learning here at Alliance Data. Well, the awards are very important. I think more than anything else, we focus our learning and development programs on the needs of our business. So a lot of what we focus on involves really meeting the expectation of our business customers, but balancing that with best-in-class practice. We win a number of awards as an organization, and so it's always very exciting. We make a big deal, we celebrate, we take a moment to just be thankful for the fact that we've had an accomplishment and we've been recognized. And we market it, quite frankly, we market it to potential new hires of the company to say, we know growth and development is an important reason why you choose Alliance Data, and we're committed to making that happen. So it's a great marketing tool to attract good talent into the organization. Oh my gosh, we have so much going on. So we're working on 2010 now. And in the 2010 arena, one of the things that we're working on is really using our data analytics to inform more the focus of our training initiatives. So we know through analytics what are the most important drivers of engagement to our associates, and so we're going all holes barred against those things in 2010 to really hopefully impact our business in a positive way.
I'm Diana Thomas. I'm a professional development specialist for Friesen Nichols. When we went through the award process, the questionnaire helped us to see all the different aspects of having a best place to learn. And so we have been expanding or improving those areas that we thought we needed to beef up a little bit to be a first-class place to learn. We have changed our evaluation system so that we evaluate a lot more than we used to, and we also are now measuring ROI in a much different way, adding each year new ways to figure out how our training impacts our business. Well, once you win the Best Place to Learn award, you always want to be that first in class because you're a standard now for other people to follow. So we don't want to slip behind, and we have looked at all the application questions and tried to improve in every area that makes sense to us, that makes sense to our business. Friesen Nichols is committed to having a great training program. They think it's very important, and they sponsored my attendance at the CPLP classes so that I could learn as much as possible about being a learning professional for the company.
My name is Dee Dee Watkins. I'm the Senior Manager of Training and Development here at Jacobs Engineering, which is formerly Carter & Burgess.
My name is Lori Partain, and I am the Manager of Training and Development at Jacobs Engineering, formerly Carter & Burgess.
We won the award in 2007, and I believe we've benefited in a couple of different ways, from an internal and both an external perspective. Looking at it from an internal perspective, we really built a lot of credibility with the business. And so after winning the award, we really were able to show that we were doing things right.
From an external perspective, as Dee Dee mentioned, certainly there's credibility that was earned there as well. And so being able to go out and not only have won the award, but talk with people that have also won the award, and talk with people that just want to share best practices because they want to hear more about what you're doing and why you were recognized. So that was a big benefit for us.
After learning the Best Place to Learn award, we were very excited, and so we really wanted to continue the momentum with the work that we had done. And so we actually applied for the 2008 ASTD Best Award on the national level, and we actually won that award. And so we were very excited about that.
And part of the experience is not just winning that award and being recognized as one of the top 40 companies globally, but also being able, again, to go to the event in DC where we get to not only receive the award, but also share best practices. I mean, the event there is called Learn from the Best, so anyone can come and attend. But we had such an opportunity to not only present our information and our story, but also learn from all the other winners as well. So what other place can you really go and get that much information from the 40 development in the world?
I think in the training and development industry, there's not a lot of awards to be won. And so that's why I think this award is so special. that, you know, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we're really focusing on what is the best place to learn. And so it's an exciting award, and I really think everyone should think about how they can tell their story in order to, you know, look at applying for the award and winning it.
And as we spoke about earlier, the Dallas-Fort Worth application is very straightforward. It's fairly simple to complete. I know that we learned a lot about ourselves as we went through the process and really tried to tell our story. And once you've accomplished that with the Dallas-Fort Worth Award, why not apply for the National Award? Because it's a very similar application process. You can leverage a lot of the work that you've already done, and it's a huge honor, locally and nationally.
My name is Judy Owen, and I am the Vice President of Training and Development at Freeman. Freeman provides, we are the leading company that provides support for face-to-face marketing in trade shows, conventions, and special events. Well, my experience in winning the Best Place to Learn Award for Dallas ASTD in 2008 was very exciting from our standpoint because in so many ways it validated what I believe to be a unique approach to how we approach learning at Freeman. Well, Freeman is an industry leader in the business that we, in the industry that we work in, and we've always placed a great deal of value of being the best. And as evident by the awards that we've received from our customers, from our industry peers, from the International Customer Service Award that we received last year. And I think for us, obviously receiving the award last year was icing on the cake in terms of a validation that all of the areas that support our organization are the best. We have a very exciting story to tell. I think one of the reasons that we chose to reapply for the award this year is because our story continued. And it continued in spite of a downturn in the economy and in our industry specifically, because as you may not be aware, we're kind of on the back end of when the economy dips. People don't tend to come to trade shows, conventions, and special events. But in spite of that, our leadership made a conscious decision to continue to develop our people. The things that we've done have been incredibly exciting. As I mentioned, we were the winner of the International Customer Service Award, one of the winners last year. And as a result, we have invested in a new Freeman Internal Customer Service certification that we are going to be rolling out in the coming months. So excited about that because that is a soft skill. But yet it is one of the things that is very important to our customers and one of the things that is really at the foundation of how our company was built.